Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Excel and load your dataset with headers in row 1. Check for empty header cells and fix them now. Convert the data range to a table by pressing Ctrl+T. Name the table in the Table Design tab for clarity and easier formulas. Make sure your table has a unique ID or primary column for lookup. Save the workbook as an XLSX file to preserve tables and named ranges. Insert a text box from the Developer tab and link it to a cell like B1. Set the linked cell to show real-time typed values for formulas to reference. Use data validation to restrict input if you need exact matches or specific formats. Apply a clear placeholder text like enter search term to guide users visually before they type. Lock the input cell if you want to protect other cells from accidental edits. Use filter to return matching rows, for example filter, table 1 name equals B1. If you need partial matches, use search with isNumber inside filter for substring searches. Fall back to index and match for older Excel, for example index, table 1 match, B1, table 1 name, 0. Show a friendly message with iFerror when no results exist to avoid errors. Add conditional formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.